Hello, my reading friends. It's Awnie. Today I want to send shout-outs to Key Rubel and Kidus in Burke, Virginia, as well as Hannah Love, Tae Yang, and Lena Apple in South Korea. A great big hello to all of you. I am so glad you're all a part of my reading family. And I think you're really going to like today's book. It's called Do Not Open This Book. If you have a copy, go get it so you can read along with me. Do Not Open This Book, written by Michaela Muntean, illustrated by Pascal Lemaitre. What do you think? Should we open it? Yeah, let's do it.
Excuse me, but who do you think you are? Opening this book when the cover clearly says, "Do not open this book"? If a sign on a door reads, "Do not enter," do you enter? Of course you don't. The least you would do is knock first.
Oh, he doesn't seem too happy that we opened the book, does he? But it's a book. We had to open it.
The reason you weren't supposed to open this book is because it is not yet written. Look at this blank page. Look at this jumble of words.
Wow, that is a lot of words. I see. Ferocious, flashed, biggest, super, swept. What are some of the words you see?
You think it's easy to put words together? Ha! Now go away. I need time to think. Ugh! Now what? Can't you see I'm busy? I am trying to decide what type of story to write. Perhaps I will write a scary story. Or maybe a bedtime story. After you go to sleep, I will be able to get to work. Even if you are snoring, it will be better than having you stare at me.
Ooh, he is very serious about his story, isn't he?
Arg! Why are you still here? Okay, I have an idea. If you sit very still and are very quiet, I will try to work while you are watching me. But please, no matter what you do, do not turn pages while I am working. Page turning during story writing can cause words to blow around, and they might end up in the wrong order. Okay?
Okay.
Here I go. I am starting my story.
We'll just sit here and be very quiet. Do you see what he's doing up on the ladder? He's putting the words together. Let's read his story and see how it's coming. A ferocious storm swept through the forest. A tiny mouse hid behind a pink flower. A tiger paced and flashed its big sharp teeth, trying to take a bite of the roaring wind. His story's coming along, but he's up kind of high on that ladder. That looks kind of dangerous. Look at this sign here. It says, "Remember, do not turn the page." What shall we do? If we don't turn the page, how will we know what happens next, right? Oof! Oh no, he was right. As soon as we turned the page, the words got all jumbled up. Now it says, "Big ferocious mouse flashed sharp pink teeth." That is a big mouse. Sorry, pig. Pitch black darkness.
I warned you about what might happen if you turn the pages. Now you see how careful you have to be with words.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. I'm so sorry about that.
This time I am going to make sure you do not turn the page.
Do you see what he's doing? He's moving a big, heavy rock on top of the page so we can't turn it. What do you think we should do? Should we give it a try anyways? This'll be a challenge. Let's see if we can do it.
We did it!
Oh, you are very strong.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
Do you work out at a gym?
You know, I really should.
Okay, I give up. Since you won't go away, I will make this story about you. What's your name?
My name is Awnie.
Oh, I cannot spell that. I'll tell you what. I will leave a blank like this.
Do you see that blank line right there?
So whenever you see
The blank line.
in the story, say your name. Ready?
I think so. Are you guys ready too?
Okay, now you can turn the page.
Ooh, this sounds like fun. Okay, so did you get that? Every time we see a blank line without any writing on it, we're going to fill in with our own name. So you fill in with your name, and I'll fill in with mine. Okay, let's do this.
There once was a giant pest named
Awnie. Awnie
had huge eyes, humongous ears, and too many teeth. Also a big nose. It did not matter how many times
Awnie
was asked to go away.
Awnie
Would not go. Finally, I had to call the giant pest control company. Hello, I said. I am on page 29 of an unwritten book, and a giant pest named
Awnie
will not stop bothering me. I cannot work, and I cannot stand this for another second. So please send someone right away to help me get rid of
Awnie. Well, that didn't go how I thought it would. Did you say your name when you saw the blank line?
Ack! You are still here. I thought my story would make you so mad you would slam this book shut and go away. Don't you have anything better to do? Maybe you could go bother someone else. Maybe you could go watch your toenails grow.
Ooh, that doesn't sound like very much fun.
Oh, look, I am almost out of pages. Wow, I wrote a whole book. It was pretty good too, wasn't it? The part with the big ferocious mouse was scary, so in a way, it was a scary story. It was a bedtime story too because, I am certainly very tired. I am going to sleep now. Goodbye. And, thank you for helping me write this book. I couldn't have done it without you. Now go away!
Good night. Look, he's dreaming about getting an award for his book. Caution, sleep in progress. The end.
Do you know what? I think the pig was very happy we opened the book, because if we hadn't, he probably never would have written his story. I hope you enjoyed reading with me today. See you next time. Subscribe for more story time, and don't forget to click the bell so you'll know each time a new video is posted.